what's the best way to feed it like a clarion tango? Just drop a cricket in there?
First put the crickets in the bag, coat them with the fine.
Oh, the colors.